Our discussion is about Cartesian geometry. Cartesian or coordinate geometry is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. The position of a point can be located on a grid by means of coordinates. A grid is a series of vertical and horizontal lines. One of the horizontal lines is the reference line, which is called x-axis. One of the vertical lines is the reference line, which is called y-axis. X-axis and y-axis cross at the point called the origin of the coordinates. This diagram represents a grid whereby 0 represents the origin, x represents x-axis, y represents y-axis. Example number 1. The points A, which is -2, 3, C, which is 3, -1, and D, which is -2, -1, are 3 coordinates of a rectangle A, B, C, D. What are the coordinates of the point B? Solution. By using a grid, we have to plot the points on the grid. Point A is -2, 3. X is -2, while Y is 3. Point A. Point C is 3, -1. X is 3 and Y is -1. Point C. Point D is -2, -1. X is -2 and Y is equal to -1. Point D. So we have to connect the points so as to form a rectangle. This is where point B will be placed. We have to read the coordinates of point B, which are 3, (3). Example number 2. Plot the points A, which is 2, 0, B, which is -4, 0, and C, which is -1, 4. What is the name of the shape ABC? Solution. By using a grid, we have to plot the points on a grid. A 2, 0. X is 2, Y is 0. Point A. B -4, 0. X is -4, Y is 0. Point B. Point C is -1, 4. X is -1 and Y is equal to 4. Point C. We have to connect the points. This is how we can plot the points. The shape is a triangle. Exercise. Plot the points P -1, 0, Q -1, 4, R 2, 5, and S 2, -4. What is the name of the shape PQRS?